Owning a fish tank is sometimes a difficult task. There's regular cleaning and maintenance to be done, supplies to be purchased, fish to be fed. So why bother? What do fish really add to your life? The answer is a lot. Fish tanks have numerous benefits to those who own and interact with them. Fish may not be the most interactive companions, but they add a lot to whatever environment they are in. Here are some of the main benefits of owning a fish tank. Within the field of animal therapy, the positive and psychological effects to fish tanks have been the subject of several studies. Fish tanks have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety and improve your mood. Simply spending a few minutes watching fish lowers your heart rate and blood pressure. The thinking is that the combination of water sounds and the constant movement of fish swimming stimulates happy hormones in the brain. These hormones have a calming effect on the body and mind. Aquarium therapy has been tested in various groups, from children to ADHD and people with Alzheimer's to dental surgery patients and army veterans. Any size tank will have positive effects, but the bigger the tank, the greater the impact. Starting with the obvious, there is no escaping the fact that garden ponds look simply stunning. The sparkling, rippling surface of a pond in the summer sunshine is a truly delightful sight, not to mention the beautiful focal point it adds to your garden. When surrounded by flowering plants, reeds and water lilies, a garden pond is a visual treat of colors and textures, plus a great source of botanical fragrances to enjoy while sitting in your garden. There are few delights that measure up to the joy of seeing wildlife exploring and enjoying your garden. Somehow, it makes us feel special and incredibly privileged, and so it should. A garden pond is a true wildlife magnet, providing homes, breeding grounds, bathing spots, food, and a watering hole for all manner of creatures, including birds, frogs, toads, newts, and insects. It's always great fun to spot these beautiful creatures in your garden, and it is a very rewarding feeling to know you are helping your local wildlife thrive. If you have got a particularly large garden, it's common to see large expanses of plain patio or lawn, which is quite uninspiring as well as a waste of good outdoor space. This is where the garden pond becomes a great option, as it makes use of the empty space in a natural way that benefits the environment. Besides, less grass to mow and smaller expanses of patio to wash and weed can't be a bad thing. Thanks for watching, until next time.